Close the doors on your past. When I was still a poor youth in which country, again I invite 25 cents in raffles ticket. The prize was a house, and won. I won. A house was of considerable values to a farming family in whose place and this one all agreed was a good house filled with pride. I laid him home how content I was, or was I having instituted my house carefully in the stable. I I trade him to oats, corn, and hay, all he could eat. That some night he broke out of the stable, when went down to the river and drank his fill of water, as anyone who knows horse could have predicted. He poor, he poor bloated animal, pounded and dead. It cost me for $5 to have him held her, out, held her away and urined so much for my good luck. Yeah, who can tell the uses of the past? I was able in late years, years. So look back up on that include and see I had been for portend. You see I never again have been tempted to risk money in any kinds of gambling. Solid I have saved the cost of my horse. Let's also saved my peace of mind. Now let me tell you of a more serious concern which cost a man's life, threatened my home life, prevented me from taking advantage of a gold apprentice seemed made like an unticked, distant, and yeah, turned out to be from my boundless good and the good of other as well. At that at that time I had at the at that time I had completed the first draft of the Science of Personal Achievement is 8 volume and I need a publicity. Mr. Don R. Melted publicity of the Conton House Daily News because my partner and business manager manager we in the UK we indicate Jedud Ilable he Gray, chairman of the board of the Unted Starts Steel Corporation to supply the money necessary to print the first edition feature mode. Jedge Gray agreed to purchase a complete search set of the books from every key man employed in that West corporation. The contract had not yet been signed, but I was not top of the world. Mis- Now, Mr. Malta had been using his newspaper as a means to expose a very enhanced avalanche between the bootleggers and the police force of his city. Three, 3 days before we were to meet, Jedgiger, a member of the police force, and a Manchester shot and killed Don Maltese because I had been associated with him. The Grand believed I too had something to do with their exposure. I missing assassination by only a few words. For years I had to heed or at large the Module X, where you get convex the and give lifetime sentence if in Parison meanwhile ज- जुड़गे घरे had did all my planes way upset I had to waste much precious time while in ending and I had not publicity. I was read be back where I had started, or rather, I was behind where I had been. I made a new start and found a publicity for my writing. That is a story in itself, but it is not the point of the story. If I found out late that is Judge Garia had because my financial back, backer, and if the science of personal achievement had been would have been great with Spacian world had been turned turned down plowed by mine many of those those whom it no service future more I might have been inhabited against my making statement I have made from time to time against big business where if fraud gets its real purpose which is to be builded a bet, better world for making mankind. Every adversity had within within it the seed of an equivalent or a greater benefit. Can you remember that? Write it on a crate. Cry that card in your pocket and read it daily in that paralysis, paralysis, the key to many a man's peace of mind. It is not the Superman street state in it formally into your consequences consequences every advice has within it the seed of an equant or a greater benefit. Thus, it is possible and strongly advisable to close the door to your parts insofar as any regrets or bitterness or post postmortem or and consequent you are searching for wealth and peace of mind. Neither the way to wealth nor the way to peace of mind lead through the graveyard of unpleasant experience long past when you have attained peace of mind. Your mind will automatically reject every through and every mental reaction which is not benefit to your welfare. Meanwhile, help yourself attain this great command of mind and all it can do for you. Avoid all negative mental inflation and special avoid that should of morphle reagate which can keep all the sunshine out of your life and and keep out other goal as will. Time is the great. Time is the great musician. Close the door on ugly experi- experiences, disappointment, disappointment, and returns. Then the great magic time can transmute, pass, source, and mistake into present reward, success, and happiness. Kunnu. Kunnu Hamsun a Norwegian emergent felt the everything he trade in the country. In disparaging, he decided to write the story of his struggle. His book, which he called Hunger, won the Nobel Prize for literature. Humans travel experience all length and length had made him a rich and farmer man. Hurry as the Taruman failed, failed as a hairdresser. If from then on he had considered himself a field, he certainly could not have entered up on the road to the presidency. We have also the example of another man who took up storekeeping, stock, storekeeping, but the store failed. He took up engineering and all failed. The ship oil sold his surveying instrument to pay his debt. He joined a group of soldiers in an Indian war and had the rank of captain. His record as a soldier was so poor that he was reduced to the rank of private and sent home. He was personality in love and engaged engaged to be married. The girl di- died and left time in a terrible start of stock. He talked up low. He won Phil cash. He went into politics, run for official and was defeated. If it astonishing that is it astonishing that Abraham Lincoln eventually become president in a way it is and in a way it is not. He might have always his mind to Drake failure and discouragement after him as a patient Dex his he chance he chance after all so many people do and they are indeed persons of the part never able to break free of the image of Pel, which to them means me. He did not do this, however, the way in which he determinedly left failure behind him was not miracle. It is a great privilege available to every human being. The man who become president had been tempered in the fears of life, or he could not have been what he was, nor have done what he did. You cannot see all of the great plays of your life. You can make it full and rewarding. However, if you track each source, each surprise, and setback as the temporary sound, greater and richer experience to come. Let me suggest keep yourself aware of life's endless combination of circumstance have you been spent in love? Your heart feel like lately al- always broke. You can see no joy in the wrong in the world. You may wish to take an orders, orders of sleeping pills and end end it all, yet it is likely that nowhere in the world exists the woman or man who can take the place of the one you lost a moment of together within the field of your depressed mind, depressed mind, which will show you this is hardly possible, hardly possible. So it happened with me, for after a dreadful disappointment of the heart, I meet a combination of sheer customers which led at last to the profess we wife there is a more poignant point to the sto- story when after a wallet lovers query my first sweetheart turned away from me, married another man. Through the through the world had ending 5 years. Let the man she married committed suicide, unwilling by unbalanced by the contact fraction of living with the woman I had been so anxious to marry. Where world I have been with a terror of a woman who declared me in, instead of helping me every every adversing has within it the seed of an equivalent or greater bifid. Remember that even a condition which the world calls remember that every condition which that world calls handicap you can call benefit and make it rules. So I have I have mentioned that thumbs addition had little from formal schooling. W. Clement Stone the height successfully climate store the highly successfully insurance man was a high school dropout. So many men many men have success success respect the the late lack of book learning that without in the last downgrading education. We may say the lack of it need not be a handcuff. It depend depends on the man. But what of addition definition should a very marginal ability to hear is a hand handcuff, but again it depend it depend on the man. Edison as a boy had been a candy butcher on trains. One a man lifted him and his entire load of candy onto a train by his ear, ears, and that was the beginning of the end of his hearing. He could have drooled all his life on this crust and damaging experience like many and another he could have he could have put his major Enogit it in to Guling into believing his fate, but he did not. When I wished him, he was depend upon a hearing aid, a dramatic